We are the ones who were the victims of 2022 flood victims. What happened was municipality did not pay the landlord decided to take us out of the flat. So now municipality said it can't help us with anything. We must see things for ourselves. And now we took the case to the court. Legal aid helped us. When we were there, we couldn't. The case was dropped. They say they can't help us out. So now we are stranded. We don't know what to do, and we need some assistance regarding this matter. What we need the most is shelter, because we don't know what to do. So that's it.
2022 so siqalelela umasipala ubesisilethe lencwadi wasitshela ukuthi asiqualify into edala singaqualify abanye bahola more than 3.5 abanye banama-RDP emakhaya. Okay, umbuzo wethu uthi ngoba umasipala eqhamuka manje in the middle of the year uskil uthi nengane zethu esifunda isikole sihlele eminyango sinengane efunda isikole manje kumele abe sesikoleni nengane azile esikoleni asikhulumi ngengane endala sikhuluma kusukela ku-8 years kuyogcina ku-17 years so it's so painful. Sihlele eminyango imvula yanetha siqoqida amakhaya sizamele ukuba yisekhothi kodwa ngendlela okukhulunywa ngayo indaba yasekhothi as-understand ngoba ummeli usitshela ukuthi asiphumelelanga icala asilwinanga but futhi indleko zokukhokhela ummeli zizokhokhelwa umasipala so si-confuse siyadideka ukuthi umthetho la eSouth Africa usebenza kanjani sibanqengile sathi uma bebona ukuthi abaqualify ibona basithatha bazosibeka kwi-CBD la nje futhi uma uthatha ukubheka ayikho indawo ongathi uyayirentela more than less than 4,000 so if ungasebenzi bathi uzorenta ngani why ke bangasi-accommodate ngendawo yokuhlala mhlawumbe uma ukhipha umuntu umkhiphe ngoNovember then ngoDisemba futhi uyazi ukuthi uye emakhaya and unjalo umasipala unobuqili abanye bawo lowo mchazo akaqedi yakhiwa kodwa kuthiwa goduka emafamu yohlala kulo mchazo. Umbuzo wethu samile namanje is about i-RDP yini ngoba i-RDP sazi ukuthi i-aplayela uhlele ekhaya usendlini but masikhuluma ngo-disaster u-disaster akekho umuntu omemeza iy'khukhula athi woza uzodudula indawo yami iy'khukhula zasidudula bayazi kade babenza ama-verification bayalala sasihlala khona babona ukuthi silinyalele umasipala sikhuluma ngalo hulumeni wethu ophethe uyakwazi ukhiphe o-6 million ukhava ama-foreigners wanika iy'ndawo zokuhlala wagodukisa uyayisoleni but thina zama-South African esivotayo esibanika ivoti lethu namhlanje si-stranded sihlele eminyango nengane zethu ngoba ungezwa nje siphethwe na i-flu. It's so painful eSouth Africa esiphila kuyo